What are you naturally drawn to? Is it the gentle strokes of a pencil on paper, the feel of soil between your fingers, or the harmonious notes of a musical instrument? What activities make you feel truly alive? Is it the thrill of reaching a mountain peak, the freedom of dancing to your own rhythm, or the joy of creating a delicious meal from scratch? These might be clues to your hidden talents. When you take a moment to reflect, what activities bring you peace and satisfaction? Talents are often things we enjoy doing. They are the activities that bring a smile to our faces and a sense of accomplishment to our hearts. They make us feel energized and fulfilled. When we engage in these activities, we feel a surge of energy and a deep sense of fulfillment. When we engage in activities that align with our natural abilities, time seems to fly by. Hours can pass in what feels like minutes. We get lost in the process. The world around us fades away, and we become fully immersed in what we're doing. This is a sign that we're tapping into something special within ourselves. It's a connection to our true selves, a glimpse of our potential. Think about a time when you felt this way. What were you doing? Was it a moment of creativity, a connection with nature, or a simple act of kindness? What made it so enjoyable? Was it the sense of freedom, the joy of creation, or the connection with others? The answers to these questions can reveal a lot about your hidden talents. They can guide you towards activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Sometimes we dismiss our passions as just hobbies. But what if these hobbies are actually the key to unlocking our true potential? But these hobbies could hold the key to unlocking our full potential. They are not just pastimes, they are pathways to discovering our true selves. Don't underestimate the power of joy in discovering your talents. Joy is a powerful indicator of where your true talents lie. When you find something that makes you feel truly happy and engaged, don't let it go. Explore it further. Dive deeper into it and see where it leads you. You might be surprised at what you discover about yourself. You may uncover talents and passions you never knew you had, leading to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Think back to your childhood. Remember those carefree days when the world was full of endless possibilities, and every day was an adventure waiting to unfold. What did you love to do? What activities made you lose track of time and filled you with pure joy? Children are often more in tune with their natural inclinations. They follow their hearts without hesitation, driven by curiosity and wonder. They haven't yet learned to doubt their abilities or conform to societal expectations. Their creativity flows freely, unburdened by the constraints of adult life. What were you drawn to before the world told you what you should be good at? What passions did you pursue with unbridled enthusiasm? Maybe you loved to build things, creating intricate structures from blocks or sandcastles that reached for the sky. Or perhaps you found joy in drawing, letting your imagination run wild on paper, or telling stories that transported you to magical worlds. Perhaps you were drawn to music, the melodies and rhythms resonating with your soul. Or maybe dance and sports were your passions, where you could express yourself through movement and physicality. These early passions can provide valuable insights into your natural talents. They are clues to what truly makes you happy and fulfilled. As we grow older, it's easy to lose sight of these passions. We often get caught up in the demands of daily life and forget what once brought us joy. We get caught up in responsibilities and obligations, our days filled with tasks and to-do lists that leave little room for play. But it's never too late to reconnect with your inner child. Those passions are still within you, waiting to be rediscovered. Make time for activities that bring you joy. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, or dancing, allow yourself to indulge in what you love. You might be surprised at how quickly you fall back into the flow of things. The joy and satisfaction you once felt can be reignited. This feeling of flow is a state of complete absorption in an activity. It's when you are so engrossed in what you're doing that everything else fades away. It's often described as a state of effortless concentration and enjoyment. In this state, you are fully present, and time seems to stand still. Reconnecting with your childhood passions can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life. It reminds you of who you truly are and what makes your heart sing. So take a moment to reflect on your childhood dreams. Embrace them, Nurture them and let them guide you to a state of flow and happiness. What comes easily to you? What do you do well without even trying? These are often signs of hidden talents. We tend to undervalue the things we're good at naturally. We assume that if it's easy for us, it must be easy for everyone else. For example, you might be a great listener. People may confide in you easily. You might have a knack for explaining complex ideas in a way that everyone can understand. These are valuable talents, even if they seem effortless to you. Pay attention to the things people compliment you on. What do they say you're good at? What do they come to you for help with? These are clues to your strengths, even if you don't see them yourself. Sometimes it's easier for others to see our strengths than it is for us to see them ourselves. We often overlook our own abilities because we are so used to them. Ask trusted friends and family members what they think your natural talents are. They can provide insights that you might not have considered. They've known you for a long time. They have seen you grow and evolve over the years. They've seen you in different situations, from your professional life to your personal hobbies. They have a well-rounded view of who you are. They may have a different perspective on your abilities than you do. Their observations can be incredibly valuable. Don't be afraid to ask for specific examples. This can help you understand exactly what they see in you. Ask them to describe times when they've seen you shine. What were you doing? What made those moments stand out to them? What skills were you using? Were you leading a project, showing creativity, or perhaps demonstrating empathy? Their answers might surprise you. You might learn about strengths you never realized you had. They might highlight talents you hadn't even considered before. This can open up new possibilities for you. Remember, feedback from loved ones is a gift. It's a chance to see yourself through a different lens. It's an opportunity to see yourself through the eyes of others. This can be a powerful tool for personal growth. Embrace it, even if it's not always what you expect. Sometimes the most unexpected feedback can lead to the most profound insights. You might just discover hidden talents that you never knew you had. This newfound awareness can inspire you to pursue new interests and opportunities. Section 5. Unveiling potential through assessments. Personality and skill assessments can be valuable tools for uncovering hidden talents. These assessments can provide insights into your personality traits, strengths, and areas for growth. They can help you identify potential career paths and hobbies that align with your natural abilities. There are many different types of assessments available online and through career counseling services. Some popular assessments include the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, the StrengthsFinder 2.0, and the Holland Code Career Test. While these assessments shouldn't be taken as absolute truths, they can offer valuable perspectives. They can help you see yourself in a new light and identify areas to explore further. Don't be afraid to try out different assessments and see what you learn. Section 6. Triumph over adversity, discovering hidden strengths. Think back to a time when you overcame a difficult challenge. What skills did you use to get through it? We often discover hidden talents and strengths during times of adversity. When we're pushed outside our comfort zones, we're forced to tap into resources we didn't know we had. Maybe you showed resilience in the face of a setback. Perhaps you demonstrated exceptional problem-solving skills or leadership qualities. These experiences can reveal hidden talents that you never knew you possessed. Don't shy away from reflecting on difficult experiences. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Ask yourself what you learned about yourself during those times. What strengths did you draw upon? Your answers might surprise you. Section 7. The power of uniqueness. Remember, your talents are what make you unique. Don't try to fit into a mold or compare yourself to others. Embrace your individuality and celebrate your strengths. The world needs your unique talents and perspectives. There's no one else quite like you. You have a special combination of skills, experiences, and passions that make you who you are. Own it. Let your unique light shine. The world needs what you have to offer. Your talents are valuable, even if they don't fit the traditional definition of success. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Embrace what makes you different. It's your superpower. Section 8. Embracing continuous self-discovery. The journey of discovering your hidden talents is ongoing. There's always more to learn about yourself. Stay curious, stay open to new experiences. You never know what might spark your interest or ignite your passion. Make time for self-reflection. Journal about your experiences. Talk to people you admire. Attend workshops and conferences. The more you explore, the more you'll discover about yourself and your hidden potential. Remember, self-discovery is not a destination, it's a journey. Embrace the process. Enjoy the ride. You're capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your dreams. Section 9. A call to explore and believe. You have hidden talents waiting to be uncovered. Take a leap of faith and explore them. Don't be afraid to try new things. Step outside your comfort zone. You might be surprised at what you discover about yourself. Believe in your ability to learn and grow. You're capable of more than you think. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is just a stepping stone to success. Go out there and make your mark on the world. Share your unique talents and gifts. The world is waiting for you.